If you want to produce coconut flour, you need to peel the brown tester of the coconut meat. Peeling or removing the brown tester of the coconut meat ensures that the coconut flour produced is white in color. Cut the coconut meat into smaller pieces or slices in order to make it easier and quicker to blend or grate. Wash the sliced coconut meat to remove dirt. Don't overwash the coconut meat slices in order to maximize the amount of oil you can extract from it. Overwashing the coconut causes some of its oil to be lost via washing. Just wash the coconut meat slices once. Put the washed coconut meat slices into a blender or grating machine. Pour some hot water into the blender and cover the blender. Turn on the blending machine and blend the mixture. Blend until the entire mixture turns into a thick liquid. Pour the blended mixture into a bowl.